Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about format function in VBA Macros. By using this function, I am going to change the format of the date as per my requirement. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Here I am creating a module. Here I created a sub-procedure which is named as format function. Next I am declaring a variable for the date. So first I declared a variable dim d as date. D is the variable and date is data type. D equivalent to, here I mentioned the value to that variable and provided the date as 12/31/2021. Here I am using with keyboard. Thereafter I mentioned sheet 2. So sheet 2 is worksheet object. So I am going to write the program by considering sheet 2. So here in range A1 I am mentioning date value. Coming to B1 I am providing the description as provided the date. Run the macro. Next, in A2 cell, I am going to extract only year from the defined variable. In B2 cell, I am providing the description. So here I mentioned the year as 2021. As I mentioned only twice, application extracted only last two numbers. In A3 cell, here I am extracting the year by using date function. First I provided the format, open bracket. In this format, for the first functional argument, I am considering expression as date. Thereafter, I am providing the format as per my requirement. As I want to extract only year, I mentioned 4 Ys. Here I mentioned sheet 2 dot range A1 dot current region dot clear contents. Means I am going to remove all the existing content from range A1 onwards. In A4 cell, I am going to extract year and month from the date function. So here application returned as 2022-08. If you want, you can change the order. In A5 cell, I have extracted year, month, date from the date function. In A6 cell, I am going to extract year, month and day after providing the concatenation. So in this way we can extract the output by concatenating year, month and day by using date function. Now I am going to extract year, month and day by using now function. Now function always returns current date and time. From that I am extracting only date values. Here we can find application return the same output. In range A8 cell, I am going to format entire now function by extracting year, month, day, hours, minutes and seconds. In A9 cell, I am going to extract only hours and minutes from the now function. So I am going to format the now function and extracting only hours and minutes. Next, I am going to extract abbreviated form of month name. In range A11, I am going to place full form of month name, hence I mentioned 4MC here. Here I am executing the program. This is the abbreviated form and this one is full form of month name. In A12 cell, I am going to print abbreviated form of day name. In A13 cell, I am going to place full form of day name, which I am going to extract from now function. Run the macro. Here we can find this is the abbreviated form of day name. This one is full form of day name. Here I am combining month and day name. This is output August 9, Tuesday. In this way, we can extract the data from format function in VBA Macros. Thanks for watching.